Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur a part of a video in Capcut. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Capcut application on your mobile device, and then you need to open or create a new project. For example, I will open my last project. Here it is. And then first of all, you need to choose your project in your timeline right up here. Here it is. After that, you will see this list of options at the bottom of the screen, and then click on the effects option and then video effects, and then here you need to find blur effect. So you need to scroll down and find it right up here. If you can see this effect in trending section, you need to go to the other sections and find it there. So and then check button on the right side. Here it is. Then you need to click on the arrow button at the bottom left corner to go back and again, and then you need to find overlay button right up here and then add overlay, and then you need to add the same video. Here it is. Then add button, and then as you can see now you have two same videos. So you need to make sure you choose the second one video. Here it is. And then you need to scroll this list of options to the bottom left. Here it is. And then find the last option, mask. Here it is. And then you need to choose one of these masks. For example, you can choose rectangle if you want. And then at the bottom left you need to click on the invert button like this. And then as you can see now I have a little part of my video like this. So and then check button at the bottom right like this. So and then as you can see only one part of a video is blurred. So and that's all, and that's how to blur a part of a video in Capcut. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.